If you want to know the truth about common myths surrounding chiropractic care and tips for finding an ethical and affordable chiropractor that has your best interests and health in mind, if you're feeling confused about choosing a chiropractor that's right for you and that you could make an informed decision if you only knew more about what questions you should be asking during the selection process, if you're frustrated with the lack of information you get from your chiropractor and worried about the high price of treatment, if you're concerned that you will have to live with back and neck pain for the rest of your life because you can't find an affordable chiropractor that you trust, then you should know that you're not alone and this video is perfect for you. Here are the top 6 myths about chiropractic care to help you stay completely informed without emptying your wallet. Myth number 1. Surgery is the most effective way to treat chronic back pain. For the majority of patients who undergo surgery, the impact on their pain or mobility is insignificant and many times non-existent. As a result, patients are often left with a future of back pain that impedes their daily routines and happiness, even after undergoing painful and expensive surgical procedures. On the other hand, chiropractic care is an effective, non-invasive treatment that has been proven to resolve or alleviate chronic back pain with a high satisfaction rate from patients. Numerous clinical studies have demonstrated that chiropractic is as effective, if not more effective, than conventional medical treatment for chronic back and neck pain. Myth number 2. All chiropractors are basically the same. Every chiropractor you meet will have different skill levels and different techniques that they practice. If you have already visited a chiropractor and are still experiencing pain, don't write off the value of chiropractic completely. Do your homework to find a reputable doctor of chiropractic who will discuss the techniques they subscribe to and offer a complete explanation of how each technique can benefit you. Myth number 3. Chiropractic care is expensive. While some people do have their horror stories of being subjected to high-dollar, unnecessary treatment programs, the fact is, when you visit a reputable chiropractor, it is more affordable than the alternatives to treating chronic pain, which could include surgery or a lifetime of prescriptions. Chiropractic care oftentimes results in a reduction of your overall healthcare costs. Myth number 4. The chiropractor with the cheapest ad is the best choice. Cheaper isn't always better. A low price can be the bait that attracts your phone call, only to be pressured into a much more expensive procedure. You should be thoroughly examined before anyone offers you additional procedures that may not be what you personally need. Low price often equals the bare minimum service. Rarely do you know the limited structured cost that is included up front. This means that you'll be facing a high-pressure upgrade offer or sales pitch with hidden fees and extras that cost much more. Low price means you may not get the quality healthcare service that meets your needs. Healthcare shouldn't be a cattle call of clients just to get them in the door to pressure them into buying procedures or services they don't need. Myth number 5. Spinal adjustments hurt. This is a common concern of new patients walking in the door. However, after experiencing their first adjustment, it's a totally different story and they're looking forward to a future visit. Being adjusted is not a painful procedure, and many patients, including children, pregnant women, and senior citizens, feel instant relief immediately afterwards. Be aware that adjustments that are not performed properly could cause discomfort and even increase pain, so do your homework and be sure that your chiropractor is a licensed doctor of chiropractic. Myth number 6. Chiropractors lock you into long-term care. While maintenance care is often recommended to keep your spine in tip-top shape, by no means does this mean a daily, weekly, or monthly trip is required. If your pain is alleviated following an adjustment, an occasional visit for maintenance care may be recommended. If your pain is not alleviated, additional visits may be necessary. Remember, preventative care is far less expensive than dealing with the health issues that arise from ignoring your condition. Bottom line, each patient's care should be individualized. A reputable chiropractor will not force high-pressure upsells for lengthy contracts on every patient they see, but they will offer recommended follow-up visits based on each patient's particular health and wellness situation. By watching this video today, you made a decision to educate yourself and discover positive alternatives to alleviating chronic pain. Being well-informed helps you separate fact from fiction when it comes to chiropractic care. That's not all. We also have a valuable consumer awareness guide that is yours free when you enter your information in the form to the right. You will discover insider secrets to finding a great chiropractor, plus several helpful tips, including alternatives to surgery and excessive pain medication, Tips for finding an experienced and ethical chiropractor to treat your back and neck pain. Common ripoffs and mistakes to avoid when seeking chiropractic care. The truth about common myths surrounding chiropractic care and how to improve your daily life. How to avoid unnecessary chiropractic treatments that could otherwise increase your healthcare costs. There is no cost or obligation to receive the free Consumer Awareness Guide. Don't hesitate. Enter your information in the form to the right to claim this important, information-packed Consumer Awareness Guide that won't cost you a cent.